This is the boot cell button in Raspberry Pi Pico. It is important to choose the mode when you connect this device to a computer. I'll show you. When the boot cell button is kept pressed, when the device is connected using a micro USB to USB cable, then it enters the mass storage device option. It has been recognized as a mass storage device RPI-RP2D with you can see it is like another hard disk appearing in my computer, and that is with 127 MB free of 127 MB. This is done when you want to install a software first. Connecting to the computer with boot cell button pressed gives the bootloader mode for uploading firmware in Raspberry Pi Pico. That mode allows us to upload new firmware like MicroPython to the flash memory of Raspberry Pi Pico. After uploading new firmware, we have to disconnect and then reconnect the Pico without pressing the boot cell button, and it will boot into the standard application mode for running programs. In the standard application mode, the program which was previously uploaded allows the Pico to perform its intended function. As I mentioned in the unboxing video, these are the pins or headers which have been soldered in my version. If these pins are not there, then it is the castellated board which will have only holes, half holes, for which there will be the coating, and then you can connect it to other boards. This is not like that. This is meant for mounting on breadboard, which is more convenient for a person like me who is starting off with Raspberry Pi. The pins are numbered starting from this side. That is the place where you have the USB connector, and from that side 1, 2, it is numbered like that, and on the opposite side it will be numbered from 21, and totally there are 40 pins. And the interesting part here is that you have several ground pins here. This pin 3 here is a ground pin, then there is 8 ground pin, 13 and 18. These are ground pins. On the opposite side there are similar ground pins. They are numbered there. All the numbers are not given. You can see 23, then 28, then you can see 33, then 38. 38, the number is not given here. Here it is 39 is given. So 38 is a ground pin. The ground pins will be 3, 8, 13, 18 on one side, and on the other side it will be 23, 28, 33 and 38. They are the ground pins. The other pins on this side are numbered as GP0 from the other end. From this end it is GP0 and GP1 and so on. At this end it will be GP15. This will be GP15. On the opposite side we have pins which start from here. This end starts as GP16, 17 and so on, and it will go up to GP28. Pin numbers are up to GP28. The two pins beyond the ground pin, that is 38, are VSys and VBus, the last two pins. Then 37 will be 3V3EN, and just before that 36 will be 3V3 out. That's 3.3 volts output, as you have in Arduino. Arduino has output at 3.3 volt and 5 volt also. So fifth pin from the other end, that is it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be that pin, 3.3 volt. This pin is ground pin, and 29, 30. 30 will be another pin which is known as run. So these are the markings, or rather identifications of the pins, though all of it is not written on the board. There is also an onboard LED which you can see here. LED is connected to GP25. So you will find that missing on the other side, where you have the run pin is between 22 and 26. 25 is not there. Next step is to install a software known as Thorny, which is a free and open source integrated development environment, IDE, for Python that is designed for beginners. You have to go to thorny.org and download the file.